Hi, this is Easy as Motorsports, where we're building a Excel racer to be our race car. So we've already started a bit, like we just trying to take out the radio here.
I loved my son's enthusiasm here. They took to that thing with a screwdriver and then wanted to beat it to death with a hammer. Some parts of this are easy, but most of it was a little bit tricky. You kind of needed to turn into a fairy and fly behind the dashboard to take those ones out. And then just when you think you've got it done, there's something else gets in the way. But quite satisfying pulling the inside of the car out and learning how it all goes together. This little light got the better of us, but in the end we got the job done. Thank goodness.
We've taken out the back seats.
Of course, to make it a real race car, we had to strip out the interior of this thing. And underneath the carpet, woohoo! Now, this $3 that I found ended up being, would you believe, a full 1% discount off the cost of this car. Pretty grotty under there though, so I had to get my cleaning on, of course. Very satisfying. My car detailing does tend to get a little bit overboard sometimes. Probably unnecessary. But good fun.
So basically, tomorrow my dad's gonna race this car.
Racing's probably not the right word to use, and on those tyres, it was a bit tricky to keep the thing in a straight line. But now I've got these 15-inch set of wheels with the Federal control tyres on them. So we did a little bit of a test fit in the backyard just to make sure that it's all going to work as it should before heading to the racetrack. Just for a test day, but all good fun anyway. Looks amazing, and yes, the number plate's still on it because I'm still driving to the track. There happened to be 3 race-ready XLs there on the day, and it was great fun chasing them around. My suspension's a bit soft though, and I got a bit of scrubbing on one of these things. Nothing that a bit of panel beating didn't fix though. And the 136, my best lap of the day, a full 6 seconds slower than the other XLs. Oh well.
So yeah, welcome to our channel. This is Easy as Motorsports. I am Dane. My dad is the main person. His name. I hope you liked the video.